Hi and welcome to another presentation. This presentation series has been concentrating on rich internet technologies and integration with Oracle's eBusiness suite. This particular presentation I'm just going to show a little bit more about the security and what can be done there, and we'll look at some multilingual features as well. So that's been integrated within OmniEffects Shaper technology in order to deliver these rich internet applications multilingual. Now, multilingual is an essential part of Oracle eBusiness Suite, given that it delivers in over 32 languages, including bidirectional. Here we see I'm logging into the system in English. It's caught me out. Actually, I've had my browser open and I've already had a session open, so I must log out. I'll try and log in French. Notice that all of the prompts have changed. I'll log in as my favorite user again, Sarge. I'll select a particular responsibility and it logs me into the eBusiness suite itself. In the background it's kicking off the apps init process, and it's now presented me with all the information I need to see, except it's now translated into French. If I press Ctrl N and launch a new browser window, it'll again go through the process of validating my session. You'll see it in a second now come up with my screen, because I've already got a session logged in, and it's just reusing that validation. But this is an entirely new session according to the eBusiness Suite credentials. Notice that again everything's translated. So I can disconnect from that. This session's still going, and I can disconnect from that. So if I try to fire a new session up, we'll see that it's in French and it's going to try and log me in. Is timeout built into the system? Yes. If there's timeout after a predefined setting, which is defined within the OmniEffect universal configuration file, it will log you out automatically. Let's have a look at double byte characters. This is the same screen but in Chinese. You see all the prompting has been changed over to Chinese. I can log in with my favorite character in Chinese and select developer as well and log in again. Let's close that down. Away we go. So as you see, the system's quite flexible for producing multilingual applications very, very quickly. Also that I can have multiple sessions with multiple languages on the go. It also knows my default languages as well by inspecting my browser settings at the same time. Again, all of the same things apply. The system works exactly the same. The prompts have just simply changed, which is the standard features for any multilingual system itself. So I can cancel from there if I wish, and then I can log out, close the window, and that's ended that session. So that's just a really brief overview of some of the security features and just some functionality with dealing with multilingual inside OmniEffects Shaper. Stay tuned for more information. I'll actually have another presentation coming up soon talking about OmniEffects products and services, and specifically looking at what does Shaper do for us and how does Shaper make building rich internet applications easier with Macromedia's Flex technology. Thank you again for listening, and I hope to speak to you soon.